When it comes to pool maintenance, having the right robotic cleaner can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into two of the latest contenders in the market, the Poolmate Hydro 4 and the WYBOT S1. While both offer impressive features, the Hydro 4 stands out with its blend of power, innovation, and ease of use. Let's explore how these two compare. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Unboxing the Poolmate Hydro 4 is an experience in itself. Here's what you'll find inside. Poolmate Hydro 4. Unit. Control unit, interchangeable filters. Quick start guide, charging dock, and user manual. The packaging ensures that each component is protected during shipping, and the layout makes it easy to identify and assemble the parts without hassle. The Hydro 4 is constructed with durability in mind, featuring a robust design that can withstand frequent use in both residential and commercial pools. Its cordless operation is a significant plus, providing unparalleled mobility without the tangling issues common with corded models. The device is compact yet powerful, fitting seamlessly into your pool cleaning routine. The WYBOT S1 also boasts a modern design, with LED indicators adding a futuristic touch. While it's sturdy and well-built, its design is slightly bulkier compared to the Hydro 4, which may affect ease of use in smaller pools. The Poolmate Hydro 4's sleek and compact design, coupled with its cordless operation, gives it an edge in terms of ease of use and convenience. The Hydro 4 excels in delivering powerful suction, making it ideal for pools that accumulate various types of debris. Its intelligent path planning ensures that every inch of your pool, including the floor, walls, and waterline, is cleaned efficiently. The interchangeable filters are a standout feature, allowing you to customize the cleaner's performance based on the specific needs of your pool. The WYBOT S1 is no slouch in the cleaning department, offering dual brushes and powerful suction to tackle dirt and debris. Its 3,500 RPM motor ensures that even steep surfaces are cleaned thoroughly. Additionally, the S1 offers multiple cleaning paths, providing versatility in how it navigates your pool. While both cleaners are powerful, the Hydro 4's intelligent path planning and customizable filters make it particularly suited for pools with varying cleaning needs. Its ability to adapt to different debris types and pool surfaces gives it a slight advantage. The Hydro 4 is also equipped with 4.1 liters of filter basket, making it perfect for larger pool cleaning. The Hydro 4 integrates seamlessly with HydroCloud technology, allowing you to control and monitor your pool cleaner from anywhere using a smartphone app. This technology not only makes pool maintenance more convenient, but also ensures that the cleaner operates at optimal efficiency. The Hydro 4's smart navigation system minimizes energy use while maximizing cleaning coverage, making it an eco-friendly choice. The WYBOT S1 also offers smart features, including app control via the WYBOT app. You can customize cleaning modes, schedule cleanings, and monitor the robot's progress, adding a layer of personalization to your pool maintenance routine. However, it lacks the Hydro 4's interchangeable filters, which could be a downside for those needing more flexibility. Both cleaners offer impressive, smart features, but the Hydro 4's combination of HydroCloud technology and customizable filters makes it more adaptable and user-friendly for a variety of pool environments. Maintenance is straightforward with the Hydro 4. The filters are easy to remove, clean, and replace, and the cordless design simplifies storage and operation. The unit is designed for longevity, reducing the need for frequent maintenance or part replacements. The WYBOT S1 is also easy to maintain, with a large capacity filter that is simple to clean. However, its slightly bulkier design and corded operation might require a bit more effort when it comes to storage and handling. The Hydro 4's user-friendly maintenance process and cordless design make it a more convenient choice, especially for pool owners who prefer a low-maintenance cleaning solution. The Poolmate Hydro 4 stands out as a well-rounded, efficient, and highly adaptable pool cleaner. Its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and customizable filters ensure that it can handle any pool cleaning task with ease. The added benefits of cordless operation and smart technology integration make it a top choice for those looking for a modern, hassle-free pool maintenance solution. On the other hand, the WYBOT S1 is an innovative and versatile cleaner, particularly appealing to tech enthusiasts who appreciate customizable cleaning paths and smart app control. However, it lacks some of the flexibility and convenience offered by the Hydro 4, particularly in terms of filter customization and cordless operation. In the end, the choice comes down to your specific pool cleaning needs and preferences. But for a balanced and efficient solution, the Hydro 4 is hard to beat. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.